Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add one-word captions to your videos in the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already added the video that I want to edit. So to create one-word captions first, let's click on the captions at the top and generate the captions of the video. Choose the spoken language and then you can just click on generate in here. Please be noted that the auto generate captions is a pro feature, so you have a credit for it. So after the captions
British Vogue, my name is Zain, and
if you want to make it a one-word caption, you can just click on one of the captions in here, go to templates, and then find the one-word captions that you want. I'm going to use this one right here, the free one. Click and let's see the result.
British Vogue, my name is Zain, and this is what's in the bag.
Word by word or only one.
So the first thing that's in my bag, a teddy bear that I got for Kai from the Man United game this week, and it was actually the
adjust it more, you can go to basic. Here you can change the phone color. You can also change the size to how you like it.
place
So
I did my
this
first
is the
audition
result.
for
Thank you so much for watching. Don't
X
forget to
Factor.
like, comment and subscribe. Also
Trafford.
click on thanks. Bye.